The value of the Music Commons in Slinger High School, it means the world to me and many other people. Having this place where people who all love and are passionate about music in this one spot where we can all congregate it's amazing. It's such a great space to have. I'm so grateful that we have it. The Music Commons is filled with music at all times. So it's such an amazing thing to walk into.
For me, the Music Commons just kind of represent a very unique collaborative space for people who all share a similar love for music. And what I personally really love about the Music Commons is just how spontaneous the atmosphere is. I'll be sitting there working on math homework and you'll hear the piano coming from inside the choir room, and then 5 people who you've been sitting by just talking, they jump up and they go and start singing, and then it's just a really unique experience that you can't find in a normal study hall.
There's really a sense of belonging when you're in the Music Commons. Whether you're in band or you're in choir, you all come together in this, spot, and you can do whatever you want. Well, not whatever you want, but you can do your homework, you can do music. And I really felt a sense of, this is where I'm supposed to be.